This is a Burg wachter quadra monoblock. It's not an overly difficult lock to pick, but it takes 2 picks to do it. So I'm going to put the adaptive turner in the bottom of the keyway. I'm going to start out with the number 5 and switch to the number 3. So 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go straight to the back. Switch to the 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Number 5 is not set high enough. Number 4 is a 0 lift, so I need that deeper hook. There we go. Number 1 opened it, but that's the Burg wachter quadra. It's got that Damient kind of wording on it. It's just not as tight.